Hello, book buddies. It's Miss Evelyn. Don't forget to click on the like button at the end of this video. Our story today is The Little Ice Cream Truck. The author is Margery Cuyler, and the illustrator is Bob Kolar. Who wants ice cream? Miss Evelyn does. I'm a little ice cream truck. My driver's name is Lou. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, we're all headed to the zoo. I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou plays a jingly tune. And look, over there, I see a red balloon. I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou drives me to the park. Boys and girls come running. The dogs all begin to bark. Everyone is excited to hear the ice cream truck come to town. I'm a little ice cream truck. The kids start lining up, smiling, leaping, and shouting. Vanilla in a cup. What's your favorite flavored book buddies? I'm a little ice cream truck with signs on the front and rear. Caution, children crossing, look both ways and stay clear. I'm a little ice cream truck. Rose gets berry crunch. Bob buys lemon ice. Jose cookie munch. I'm a little ice cream truck. We have so many treats. Milkshakes, cones, and bomb pops, fudgesicles, snow cones, and sweets. I'm a little ice cream truck. You can use me for events, celebrations, birthdays, and big parties under a tent. I'm a little ice cream truck. We're off to Lilac Lane. Happy birthday, Tony! I hope it doesn't rain. Everybody's waiting. I'm a little ice cream truck. The guests are all having fun, licking and laughing and singing. Tony's turning 1. I'm a little ice cream truck. We watch a baseball game. The players take a break, excited that we came. Everybody loves ice cream. I'm a little ice cream truck. It's just another day to make the children and the grown-ups happy. I love my job. Hooray! That's the end of our story, book buddies. I'll see you next time on Story Time with Miss Evelyn. And don't forget to wash your hands.